Welcome to our channel. Cascade Precision Sheet Metal, Custom Sheet Metal Fabrication, where excellence is in the details. From the beginning of project consultation, we arrange professionals to communicate with customers one-on-one to gain an in-depth understanding of the project background, technical requirements and budget constraints, and provide customers with personalized solutions. During the design phase, we pay attention to detail and carefully design every chamfer and every hole to ensure the accuracy and aesthetics of the product during assembly. In the processing stage, the laser cutting machine uses advanced layout software to optimize the utilization of the plate and reduce material waste. When processing with CNC equipment, strictly control tool wear and calibrate the equipment regularly to ensure processing accuracy. During the welding process, the weld is treated to prevent deformation, and a reasonable welding sequence and process parameters are used to reduce welding stress and deformation. During surface treatment, select the appropriate coating system according to the product use environment. Strictly control the coating thickness and curing process, and enhance the product's weather resistance and protective performance. During the packaging process, we customize the packaging plan according to the characteristics of the product and use shock-proof and moisture-proof materials to ensure that the product is not damaged during transportation. Thank you for watching!